Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, China is very famous for the electronics and electronic technology, and to utilize that technology they have produced many kind of the modern games, the latest game. Even when you go there, you will feel that you are in a new world. So today we have decided to show you one big game center of the Hangzhou. So let's explore. Viewers, finally we have arrived at a rich game center of the Hangzhou, and you can see I am inside the community of the small cats, and I want to share with you these cat culture actually came from the Japanese, and Japanese call it the Neko-chan, and it is the one good luck sign, and also give the well wishes. So they place the cats, and here there are a lot of cats just well wishing for the customers, well wishing for the owners, and this is just welcoming cats, and they always use their arm to welcome everyone. Viewers, this game center has been divided into the many small parts. There are many kinds of games. Some are the dancing games, some are the magical games, some are the firing toys games, some are the VR reality games, some are to pick the products from that, and means many kinds of game we will share with you. And now I am in between, you can listen the music and the sound around me, and we will go to the different corners and we'll share with you. So let's go. Viewers, I also want to share with you one modern technology of this game center. You see this machine, it has the QR code. You have to scan this code and you have to pay the money by your mobile, and as much coins you want you can get by this machine, because we have seen that in the game centers people often be in the queue to buy the coins. Here no need to be in the queue, you just come here to this machine, choose the number of coins, just pay the money and get your coins and go and play. Viewers, here you can see at this corner these are some kind of games, and they have some specific fluffy toys, and here is one tool to catch it. Not only the kids but elders also play these games. They just use this tool and the catch. Here you can use the coins as well as you can use your mobile to pay online, and then you can play, and it will give a few seconds to you to catch the toy and throw here, and that will be your toy. Viewers, this game you can see here are very big toys, and you have to play here. Once you are successfully able to catch one animal, and then you can release it from here. They are hung here. When you release them, they will fall down and you can catch your toy. Viewers, here you can see these ladies are playing one kind of game, and they have the dices, and you just play and those dices will give some kind of number. As you get the specific number, then you just punch and then you can have your gift according to that number. Viewers, now here you can see these are the basketball games, and if you want to play the basketball, you just choose the number, and they will give you a lot of balls, and you will throw, and as you make the basket of the ball, it will be counted to your credits. Here you can see these people are playing with the ball, and they throw to the basket. As successfully you basket the ball, then there are the numbers, and with that you have the more and more turns. Viewers, here you can see these are the lot of balls. As you pay, means it is just like as you want to pay for the coins, here you need to pay for the balls. As much balls you want you can take, and then you use them for the in a one cyclic form to basket the balls. Viewers, this is a little bit noisy place. You can see here are the firing game, and you have this gun. As you pay, and then you can use it to fire, and this is one kind of soldier, the Rambo series, and they use these guns to attack on the enemies, and this game is the live visual reality game in front of you, and you use this and Viewers, you can see now I am inside one game, and this is actually the zombie game. In this there you will have this is one the arrow throwing. In the history, you know, people use the arrows. You will just pay and you will focus by this way, and as you focus the zombie you can fire, and that will kill the zombie. And this is the arrow throwing game, and you see there are so many zombies in front of this, and you can see that person is using the gun and killing the enemies, and this is one kind of soldier mission game, and you see very big game, and the elders are playing this game. Viewers, these are the riding games. You can see here are the cycles as well as there are the motorbikes. You see that girl, she is playing the motorbike, and when you sit on it and you play, you will feel really you are driving, and you will see on the screen, and your bike will also move as you will move by there. Means it will give you those jumping feeling, moving here and there feeling. Means you will have a real feel that you are really driving something. Viewers, if you want to have the taste of the car driving, come here, play this game. You will choose the car, you will choose the color, you will choose the model of your car. Then when you start the game, you see it has the accelerator, brake, everything, and the steering. Even your seat will move. If you have any speed breaker, it will show you that you have the speed breaker, and you will have the real enjoyment of car driving with this game. Viewers, here you can see now I am at the skating game. If you like the skating, you just stand here, you pay, you turn on, in the screen you can see, and according to that you can move your foot. As you will move, you will feel that you are really skating. Viewers, behind me you can see the people are playing the game. Before that, always have the concept that the games are only for the kids, but elders also like to play these games. You can see here all are the elder people, and they play, and for this you no need for very high skill. People use the coins, they use their money, and they spend a lot of money to play there, and this is one kind of amusement, one kind of hobby. People just come here and they play these kind of games. They spend some time here, enjoy, and then they will go back. Viewers, this is very famous game, and this is called the fish game. You see this tool is to catch the fish from the ocean. As you catch the fish, then you have to take it back to your net, and as you successfully take it back to your net, you will have the credits, and those credits will be converted into the strap. That paper strap you will use and go to that machine that we have already shown. It will be counted to your numbers and your credits. You will use those credits to buy the things. You see, this is very beautiful game, and you really feel that you are really playing in the ocean, and you can catch these fish and many kind of sea animals. Viewers, this is also one kind of zombie killing game, and here you see this is one kind of gun, and this gun is the freezing gun. Inside the game there are many kind of zombies and some characters. You have to freeze them. As you will freeze them successfully, they will be died, and as they died, those numbers will be counted to your credit. And this game is liked by the elders and the kids very much, and they use this gun to freeze these animals or make them into the stones. Viewers, this is the one kind of coin playing game. From here you throw the coin, and that coin go through that ring. As there is enough amount of coin, these coin will push other coins, and those coin come here. Means one recycling product. Maybe with pushing you have a lot of coins, and then you can use them to play again, and you also have the credits from this game. Viewers, behind me you can see this is one kind of small competition in the dancing, and those people are playing the dance. One character in the screen they are playing, and they have to copy that dance. As much as they copy well, there will be the more and more credits to them. You can see these two girls are dancing here, and some characters are dancing inside. On the screen they can see them how they are dancing. As they will dance well, there will be the more and more credits towards them. Viewers, you can see this is the bowling game, and you know about this thing, and you have seen in the videos, in the movies, people play this game. Means this is one kind of ball. You can have the ball here, and you throw from here, and you have to throw those the pots there, and as you successfully throw all them, then you have the credits. Viewers, here you can see these are the ancient street fighting games. and these games are very familiar almost all over the world. These are used, and these are the street fighting games. Means you have to choose your fighter and then you play these games, and same like the normal street fighting game, just a little bit latest addition is in this. Viewers, this is not the sofa, not to sit here, but this is a visual reality game. You see, I have the visual reality camera. You just have to choose your mission or what do you want to see. You just sit in here and use this visual reality camera, and you will have that movie, and you will feel that if this is the skating, you will feel the skating. If it is the skydiving, you will feel the skydiving. Or if it is the traveling through a jungle, you will feel that. And this visual reality camera will give you the real feeling of that area. Do you like the lollipop? Then come here, play this game and enjoy the lollipops. This is the lollipop game. This is the name of the game. You have to play this and you can get the lollipops as much as you want. While playing the games, if you get hungry, then come here. They have the snacks also, and these snacks you cannot get without anything. You have to play, and once you play this game, then you can have the snacks of your choice. There are the biscuits, there are the Lays, and the snacks that you like. Viewers, behind me, this is one kind of modified carom game, carom board. And here there are the two people, and they will play, and they will throw the ball, the disc from one side to another, and they have two kind of tools in their hands. By that they will hit that disc, and then disc will be thrown from one area to another. As you see, this is that tool and this is the disc. You just have to hit like this and the disc will go inside. Because here you can see this machine is actually for the tokens. As you play the game, it will give us long strap of the tokens to you. You just give to this machine. This machine will take back all the tokens and give you the credits, and those credits you can use to buy the things from here. You just scan and then you can buy some toys or the things that you like. Here you can see there is the shop, and from here you can buy those things according to your credits. Viewers, game playing in China is not useless. It always gives you some kind of rewards. You can see behind me is one mini mart. As you play the game, as much as you play the game, as much as you have the credits, you use those numbers, those credits, and come to this shop. By utilizing those numbers, you can buy the things and then you can take it back. Means once you invest the money and you play it, after that your money is not the useless money. You can use that money, those numbers, and can buy the products from here to use at your home. You see, this is very beautiful shop, and they have many kind of toys, many kind of household articles, some kind of stationery. It's up to you. What do you like? You can buy from here. Viewers, today we make you visit a very rich game center of the Hangzhou in the very big shopping plaza that is called InCity. So if you come to the Hangzhou, you can visit this game center and enjoy to play the games here. Really, this is very luxurious game center. The kids, elders, everyone come here and they enjoy these games. Even I also have played these games. Really, this is so interesting place. You must visit this place. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.